it's all about. Lamination done with. Yeah. This is the cutting edge technology of business card. Right? This is here to stay, but only at print big. But limited cost. So look, choose what you want. We do them in various style. 3 minutes. Mine sharp we max it even for 2 minutes. But you only do them by the hundreds. If you need it, even by the thousand, we do it also. Right? So as I said, lamination and paper is really out. Down with paper. This is what you need for your business, corporate. So managing director, board, CEO, this is what we have. It's here to stay.